Living with end-stage renal disease is very challenging. It creates a lifestyle that often requires hours and hours of dialysis treatments each week, which leaves the patient exhausted. These patients often are less active than they once were and aren't able to do things they once did that made them happy. We all have daily challenges that we must face, like paying bills, dealing with family issues, and whatever struggles we face in our daily lives. In addition to the normal day-to-day challenges, dialysis patients have to deal with exhausting dialysis treatments, often have to take many medications each day, and have a very restrictive diet. They can't even enjoy the same foods their family members are eating, or the amount is restricted and/or prepared differently. The fact is, depression should be addressed just as much as the medical conditions. When we are depressed, we often don't take good care of ourselves and struggle to follow proper health regimes. For these patients, all of these changes can lead to depression. Direct Med Health Services has been providing home health services, such as nursing and physical therapy, for over 13 years. Direct Med is now addressing depression by providing patients with a licensed clinical social worker who will work with patients in their home. The charge is paid by Medicare or other insurances. The licensed social worker will typically see a patient each week for as long as it takes. In addition to the end-stage renal disease, the social worker looks at all factors that may be contributing to the depression, including the patient's social and family history and living environment. Many of these patients have great dialysis clinic staff members that help them, and Direct Med Health Services is there to support and reinforce those efforts. When a Direct Med employee is in the home working one-on-one with the patient, they can see many factors that can be causing depression. The patient has a much better chance of an improved quality of life when a company like Direct Med is helping the patient's medical condition and their psychological condition. Call today and see how Direct Med can help, and follow us on social media.